Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crochet sweater designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. For stylish ladies, you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet sweater designs. I hope you also fine and doing well. Don't skip my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful crochet sweater designs when you go in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Those ladies who love such type of crochet sweater designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful sweaters, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. Stylish ideas, flower patterns, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet sweater designs. You can easily make these very beautiful sweaters if you know crochet work. Stylish ideas for stylish ladies, you can see in this my video. Highly running patterns you can see also. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.